Hello and welcome to Office P.D.Q by JourneyTEAM. My name is Kevin Zollinger. Today we're going to be talking about Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop was announced back in 2020 as Microsoft Fluid, and today it has shown up. It may not be in your particular tenant yet, but it will be soon. We are the third week of March and it's rolling out everywhere. Let's take a look at what it is. We're going to use three different people. We're going to use Deborah Berger, we are going to use Adele Vance, and we are going to use Mod Administrator. Let's start with Miss Berger, and let's say that we want to organize a birthday lunch, and we're on the committee. So we're going to send out an email. All right, so far so good. Normally we would just start typing, but because we have Loop, you'll see it's up here on our action bar. We are going to create a task list. I will say that Loop is available in Word and Teams and in Outlook. But in Word, you only get two functions. In Outlook and Teams, you get all of these. So we're going to choose a task list. We're going to call it Birthday Lunch. Let's make some task assignments. Let's say that we need some food. And we're going to assign that to Mod Administrator. Come on, find me. There we go. And we need to get a location. And we're going to assign that to Miss Adele. Come on. There we go. So we made some assignments. We could also add, if we wanted, another loop component. Maybe this loop component is going to be a paragraph, and we're going to say lunch invite. And Deborah doesn't know what it should say, so she's going to say, what should we say? Okay. We have a paragraph and we have a to-do list. Let's send it. And while we're waiting for that to show up, let's go take a look at OneDrive. And if I look in OneDrive and find My Files and Attachments, you'll see those items. So this one is the task list. This one, I suspect, is the paragraph. If we click it, it's going to open up in a full screen and we get this view of that component. If I change it here, it's going to change it anywhere. So we've already sent the email. We've added that. All right, let's go look at what it looks like for Mod Administrator. For Mod Administrator, he's got get food, get location, and you see that it's changed even though it wasn't reset, so that it now says I don't know. Let's say that Mod wants to get a band. And he's going to assign that to Deborah. There we go. All right, now he doesn't have to resend this email. That's already on the list and it's already assigned to her. If we take a look at what it looks like for Adele, let's open up her email. There it is from Adele, and you'll notice when it gets done retrieving that it has all of the new information. It's got the I don't know and the new task. Didn't show up, but it will. Oh, there it is, get a band. That is the new one. Okay, so it's all shown up now. Let's get really crazy, and let's say that our friend Mod Administrator wants to get some more help with this lunch invite text. So we're going to click here, we're going to copy that component, we're going to run over to Teams, and let's start a chat, and we're going to include Adele, we're going to include Miss Deborah, and because Diego is good with words, we're going to include Diego. What should our text be? Question mark. And then I'm going to do a paste right here of that loop component. and it is there. And you can see that Deborah Berger is in it right now. If she types, we'll see it in real time. So that is how the Loop component works. Right now it's available in Teams and Outlook and kind of sort of in Word. Eventually this is going to be available everywhere and will really change the way that we collaborate. One last thing that may or may not change is right now this is only available to collaborate within your organization or company. You cannot include people outside your company as you collaborate. That may change, that may not change. As always, this has been a function of JourneyTEAM. We appreciate you listening to the end. If there's something we can do to help you in your collaboration, content management, or any other part of your Microsoft 365 journey, please reach out and let us know.